Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard State Board Maths chapter 3 exercise 3.12. First question, solve by the method of elimination. So here we are going to solve the pair of linear equations using elimination method. In elimination method, we are going to eliminate one of the two variables in the pair of linear equations. How we are going to eliminate? While adding or subtracting, we are going to eliminate the variables. Through this, we are going to find the solutions of the equations. Okay? See here, 2x minus y equal to 3, 3x plus y equal to 7. Okay? Let us consider 2x minus y equal to 3 is the first equation, 3x plus y equal to 7 is the second equations. Okay? See the equations, okay? You have to look at the coefficient of the equations. See the x coefficient are differ. Okay, here 2 is there, the second equation 3 is there. See the y coefficient, here y coefficient there is no number means it represents 1. Okay, so here also 1, in the second equation also the coefficient is 1. So both the coefficient are same. So I am going to eliminate the y variable because the coefficient are same. Okay, and see the sign of the coefficient, here sign are different. Okay, so while adding I am going to eliminate this. Okay, so I am going to add equation 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 implies, okay, so 2x plus 3x, what you will get children? 2x plus 3x, 5x minus y plus y cancel, okay, equal 3 plus 7. Both are positive, just you add it. 3 plus 7, what you will get children? 10. I repeat this, I am going to add these two equations, okay, 2x plus 3x, just here x is common, just write as it is, you add the coefficient alone, okay, so 2 plus 3, what you will get children? 5, so 5x, here minus y plus y cancel, okay, equal to, here plus 3 plus 7, both the number have same sign, so you need to add, okay, so 3 plus 7, what you will get children? 10. So 5x equal to 10. Okay. So x equal to 10 divided by 5. Because multiplications will change other side division. Okay. So x equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Okay. So what is the x value children? X equal to 2. X equal to 2. Next we need to find out the y value. Okay. So substitute x equal to 2 in equation 1. You can substitute either equation 1 or equation 2. Okay children. Here I am substituting in equation 1. What is the equation 1 children? Equation 1 implies 2x, so 2 into, what is the value of x? 2. Next, minus y, so minus y equal to 3. Okay, so 2 twos are 4. 4 minus y equal to 3. Minus y equal to 3, the plus 4, additions will change other side, subtraction. So minus 4. Okay. So minus y equal to 3 minus 4. 3 is positive, 4 is negative. Okay. So you want to subtract and put the greater number sign. Here 3 minus 4, what you will get children? Minus 1. Now see here, both the side we have the negative sign. So cancel it. So what we are getting? Y equal to 1. Okay. So what is the solutions of the equation? The solution is x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Is it clear, children? See the next question. X by 10 plus y by 5 equal to 14. X by 8 plus y by 6 equal to 15. Okay. In previous questions, the whole number is given, 2x plus 3y, like that pattern is given, but here denominators are there. Okay. So if you have the denominators, you need to take LCM. Okay. Here 10 and 5 is there. In 5 is the factor of the 10. So in this case, which one is the highest, that you consider as the LCM. Okay. So LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. Okay. First you make the denominator as same. So common denominator is 10. See the first term, here denominator is 10. So you write the numerator as it is. So x. And next what symbol is there? Plus. Plus. Here 5 is there. So we have to make it as 10. So we need to multiply with the 2. Okay. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. Okay. So 2 into y, what you will get, children? 2y. X plus 2y by 10 equal to 14. Okay. You understand, children? Just you cross multiply this. X plus 2y equal to 14 into 10. Okay. X plus 2y equal to 14 into 10. I cross multiplied. Okay. So x plus 2y equal to 14 into 10. What you will get, children? 140. Okay. This is equation 1. Take the next one. X by 8 plus y by 6 equal to 15. Here also denominators are different. So we need to take LCM. Okay. So 8, 6. These two numbers divisible by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Then again by 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 you write as it is. Okay. Now you multiply all the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what is the LCM, children? LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. Okay. Now I am going to make the denominator as 24. LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. Okay. Now I am going to make the denominator as 24. So common denominator is 24. See the first term. Here denominator is 8. 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Okay. The same number you multiply the numerator. So 3 into x you will get 3x. Next plus sign is there. Plus. Here 6 is there. 6 4s are 24. So you multiply with a 4. So 4 into y, 4y equal to 15. Okay. Now you cross multiply this. 3x plus 4y equal to 15 into 24. 3x plus 4y equal to 15 into 24. Okay. 15 into 24. 4 5s are 20, 0 remaining 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 5s are 10, 0 remaining 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Now you add this 0, 6, 3, 360. So 3x plus 4y equal to 360. Okay. This is the second equation. Now I am going to solve these two equations. See here, first equation, x plus 2y equal to 140, The second equation 3x plus 4y equal to 360. Okay. See here the first equation, the coefficient of x is 1. The second equation, coefficient of x is 3. Okay. So I am going to eliminate the x variable. So for eliminating, I have to multiply the first equations with 3. Then only I can eliminate the x variable. Okay. So first equation I am going to multiply with 3. Okay. So 3 into x, what you will get, children? 3x plus 3 2s are 6 into y. Okay. 3 into 2y will get 6y equal to 3 into 140. Okay. So 3 into 0, 0. 3 4s are 12, 2 remaining 1. And 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 420. Okay. And take the second equation, you write as it is. 3x plus 4y equal to 360. Okay. Now I am going to eliminate the x variable. But see the sign, both are positive. So while subtracting I can eliminate. Okay. What I am going to do? I am going to subtract. So 1 minus 2. Okay. So if I want to subtract, I have to change the sign of the second equations. Minus, minus, minus. Because positive becomes negative. So cancel this. Plus 6 minus 4. Plus 6 minus 4. What you will get, children? Plus 2y equal to 420 minus 360. So what you will get? 60. Here greater number is 420. The sign of the greater number is positive. So plus 60. So 2y equal to 60. Next, y equal to 60 by 2. Because multiplications will change other side, division. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 30 will get 60. So y equal to 30. What is the y value, children? Y equal to 30. Okay. Next we are going to find the x value. Substitute y equal to 30 in equation 2. Okay. So what is the equation 2, children? 3x plus 4y equal to 360. So 3x plus 4 into y value 30 equal to 360. Okay. 3x plus 4 3s are 12. So 120. 4 into 30 you get 120 equal to 360. 3x plus 120 equal to 360. So 3x equal to 360. The plus 120 will change minus 120. 3x equal to, now subtract this, 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So 3x equal to 240. X equal to 240 divided by 3. Okay. Divided by 3. Because multiplication will change division. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. So here 0 is the 0. So what is the x value? X equal to 80. Okay. Therefore, the solution is x equal to 80, y equal to 30. Is it clear, children? Next question. 3 into 2x plus y equal to 7xy 3 into x plus 3y equal to 11xy. See here xy term is there. So we need to eliminate first. Okay. How to cancel this? We have to divide by xy. The whole equations we need to divide by xy only. We can cancel this. Okay. First we will do that. Okay. Before this you see here bracket is given. Okay. First simplify the bracket. So 3 into 2x. You have to multiply first and next you need to multiply these two. Okay. So 3 into 2x 6x. And 3 into y, 3y. 6x plus 3y equal to 7xy. Okay. This is first equation. And next here, 3 into x plus 3y equal to 11xy. So 3 into x, 3x. Plus 3 into 3y, 9y. Equal to 11xy. This is second equations. Okay, now I am going to cancel this. What I am going to do? I am going to divide with xy. Okay, so divide by xy. So what you will get? 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equal to 7xy by xy. Okay. So here x cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. What is remaining? 6 by y plus 3 by x equal to 7. This is third equation. Okay. So like that you want to divide this equation also xy. Okay. So divide by xy implies 3x by xy plus 9y by xy equal to 11xy by xy. Okay. So x cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. Okay. So what is remaining? 3 by y plus 9 by x equal to 11. This is equation 4. Okay. And see this equation, in the denominator place we have the variable. Okay. First we need to change that. Okay. Let us take, let a equal to 1 by x and b equal to 1 by y. Let us consider a equal to 1 by x, b equal to 1 by y. Okay. See here 6 by y. How can you write this 6 by y? 6 into 1 by y. Okay. So 1 by y what we consider? B. Okay. So how can you write this? 6b plus 3 by x. So 1 by x equal to a. So 3 by x equal to 3a equal to 7. This is fifth equation. Okay. And the fourth equation implies 3b plus 9a equal to 11. So this is equation 6. Now I am going to solve these two equations. Okay. See the coefficients 6, 3 is the multiples of 3. Even here also multiples of 3. Either you can cancel a or b. Okay. So I am going to eliminate the b variable. Okay. So first the fifth equation you write as it is 6b plus 3a equal to 7. Okay. The sixth equation, see here coefficient is 3. Where the coefficient is 6. I want to make it as 6. Okay. So I need to multiply with the 2 only. I will get 6 here. So the sixth equation I am going to multiply with the 2. Okay. So 2 3s are 6b plus 2 into 9a you will get 18a equal to 2 11s are 22. Okay, now the coefficient are same, even the sign also same. Okay, so while subtracting this equation only we can eliminate. Okay, so I am going to subtract. So 5 minus 6. So if you want to subtract, you have to change the sign of the second equation. It means this equation. So minus, minus, minus. So plus 6b minus 6b cancel. Plus 3 minus 18. So what you will get, children? Minus 15a equal to plus 7 minus 22. Okay. So while subtracting, what you will get? Minus 15. Okay. So minus 15 minus 15 cancel. So a equal to 1. What is the a value? A equal to 1. So this a value I am going to substitute in fifth equations. Substitute a equal to 1 in equation 5. Okay, so the equation 5, 6b plus 3 into the value of a is 1. So 3 into 1 equal to 7. Okay, so 6b plus 3 ones are 3 equal to 7. 6b equal to 7. The plus 3 will change minus 3. Okay. So 6b equal to 7 minus 3, what you will get, children? 4. So b equal to 4 by 6. Multiplication will change other side, division. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So b equal to 2 by 3. But the given questions in the terms of x and y. So we should give the answer in terms of x and y. Okay. So a equal to, what we consider, children? A equal to 1 by x. So what is the value of a? 1. So 1 by x equal to 1. Okay. Let us take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1 by x is x. The reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So x equal to 1. Okay. Next, b equal to, we consider 1 by y. So what is the b value, children? 2 by 3. Take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by y is y equal to, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. So y equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the solution is x equal to 1, y equal to 3 by 2. Do you understand, children? To receive our online lessons, press subscribe button and you will receive our latest updates. Thank you, children.